Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to teach Unit 5 Theoretical Distribution. In that, first one is Bernoulli's distribution. To solve this, we have a formula. P of x is equal to P raised to x into Q raised to 1 minus x, where x value is 0 and 1. The probability ranges from 0 to 1, so that is P. To find out Q, we have formula that is 1 minus P. It means that P plus Q should be equal to 1. Now let's start with the first term. So if P is equal to 0.25 for a Bernoulli's distribution, find the mean and variance. To find Q, there is a formula 1 minus P. 1 minus P. So 1 minus 0.25. So if you subtract this, you will get 0.75. Okay. For mean, the formula is only P. So what is the value of P? It is 0.25. For variance, it is P into Q. So P value is 0.25 into Q value is 0.75. So if you multiply this two, you will get 0.1875. So this completes your first answer. Let's move on to the second question. Now second question, write down probability mass function, that is PMF, of a Bernoulli distribution with the parameter 0.7. Also find a standard deviation, that is SD. Now what they have given? P. Always they will give P. To find out Q, we have a formula from here, 1 minus P. So 1 minus 0.7 is 0.3. So this is the Q value. Now what is PMF formula? It is P of x is equal to P raised to x into Q raised to 1 minus x. So I have written here. Now what is the P value? 0.7 raised to x. Now what is the Q value? 0.3 raised to 1 minus x. Okay. Now also find standard deviation. Standard deviation formula is square root of P into Q. So square root of P value is 0.7. Q value is 0.3. If you multiply this, 0.21. So square root of this is 0.4583. Fine. So this completes your second answer. So let's move on to the third question. Write down Bernoulli's distribution when P is equal to 1 by 3. Now to find Q, there is a formula 1 minus P. So I'll write here 1 minus P. So 1 minus, what is the P value? 1 by 3. So take a LCM of this. 1 minus 1 by 3 means it is 2 by 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 by 3. So Bernoulli's distribution table is this: 0, 1 and total. P of x. So in place of 1, I am going to write P value, that is 1 by 3. In place of 0, I am going to write the Q value, that is 2 by 3. Now add this. 2 plus 1 is, denominators are same. So 3 divided by 3 is how much? 1. I have told you P plus Q is always 1. So this completes your answer. Now fourth question. If P is equal to 1 by 2 for a Bernoulli distribution, write down mean and variance. As I have told you, to find Q, the formula is 1 minus P. So I'll write here 1 minus P. So 1 minus P value is 1 by 2. So 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Fine. Now they are telling write down mean. So mean formula is only P. What is the P value? 1 by 2. Now I have to find variance. Variance formula is P into Q. So P value is 1 by 2. Q value is 1 by 2. So multiply this. 1 ones are 1. 2 2s are 4. So the final answer is 1 by 4. So this completes your Bernoulli's distribution sum. Fine. I hope you understood this topic very well. Thank you very much for watching, and keep watching our videos for more topics.